When looking at the causes of high levels of anxiety and depression in our time, Manson argues that the two main causes are commercials and so-called fake innovation. Before the 1920s, commercials focused on describing the effectiveness of a product or its specification, but in the late 1920s, products began to address people's feelings of insecurity about themselves. Therefore, advertisements turned from targeting our logical minds to our emotional minds, leaving a significant impact on human psychology and levels of self-confidence. When a developing country begins the path of development and growth, in the beginning it lives in a period of innovation and progress in fields such as medicine, engineering, and urbanism, and therefore unemployment rates in it decrease. And people in these countries become happier, but as soon as this country joins the developed countries, its levels of happiness begin to decline little by little, and in turn, levels of depression and anxiety begin to rise. This is because innovation in these countries turns from being a real innovation with value and purpose to a fake innovation that's goal is only to satisfy people's feelings and make them feel comfortable and fake luxury. In the United States, many people consider it a form of progress and innovation that supermarkets offer a wide variety of food products, such as countless types of breakfast cereals, which people consider a sign of freedom there. But it's in fact a form of fake innovation that leaves us confused, which in the end leads to taking away our freedom to make decisions with the abundance of products and options. For a better explanation of this concept, you can watch the summary of the book The Paradox of Choice by Barry Schwartz, which we talked about in the early episodes of Khair Jali's channel. With the abundance of choices, we have become obsessed with using technology to facilitate our lives, and with the increase of our use of technology, it has become necessary for us to establish regulations and laws that regulate our use of technology, and therefore limit our freedoms. Manson believes that real freedom comes from reducing things in your life, such as deleting your social media accounts to free up your time and pursue your hobbies. Bit to remember, commercials and fake innovations are among the major causes of anxiety and depression in most of the developed world.